Welcome to the AI Wedding Toolset. Let's take a look at the features and effects this set has to offer. Stunning wedding imagery has never been easier to create. The AI Wedding Toolset gives you an essential set of 24 tools designed to both streamline your editing and expand your creativity. The presets are organized into 5 separate categories that can be combined, mixed, and matched for a complex edit with a simplistic application. Just apply your desired preset and set the intensity with the preset amount slider. Dynamics gives you the ability to shift contrast, white levels, and black levels, all without altering your image's saturation. Scenes give you optimized settings for specific applications during a wedding shoot, such as golden hour or harsh midday light, just to name a few. Subject targets your model's overall dynamic and tonal appearance without affecting the background. Skin tone fixes common issues affecting your subject's skin. Use these to help dial in the perfect shade. And lastly, clothing targets specific items of your model's outfit. These correct common issues wedding photographers face, such as a desaturated blue suit or a flat wedding dress lacking detail.